In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a site where you can go to and you can make about $400 a month having fun. Well, doing probably mostly what you do every day anyway. Guys, it is 100% free, and you can do this from anywhere in the world, okay? So if this sounds interesting to you and you want to find out how to make a really good little bit of extra money on the side, and you can actually make more than 400 depending on how much you involve yourself or how much commitment that you have into what I'm going to show you, okay? So guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, from the people that are new to my videos, like I always like to do, don't want to leave you guys out or nothing like that. If you're new to my videos and you haven't subscribed, well, anytime during the video, when you feel like it, reach down there below your video and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified when I upload videos to the channel here for you guys, okay? All right, well, with that out of the way, also, anytime during the video when you feel like it, if you're getting some value out of it, reach down there and hit that thumbs up button for me if you would too, guys. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this. Kind of anxious to show you this really cool little site. There's about this site, by the way, this site gets about almost 1 million visitors a month come to this site and do what I'm going to show you. So the site we're coming to here is called CLICKBANK. You see it right here. It might be pronounced CLICKBANK. Or I don't know, CLICKBANK. You see it right here. If you look right here in the address bar, guys, it's CLICKBANK. www.CLICKBANK.com. And it says here, make money online. It says on the phone, computer, or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. Yeah, that's right. Like I told you guys, it's 100% free, and it can be done from anywhere in the world, which I'll show you here in a little bit. And it's also, you can do this on your phone. This is good for iOS. I know a lot of these times I'll show these types of videos and it's only good on Android, but this one is good for both Android and iPhone together. All right, or just your computer like you see where we're at right now. It says right here, turn your time into profit. It's a flexible solution. CLICKBANK is a full-time and additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet, no matter where you are, and you will get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform here. And it says everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. They have also, guys, a referral program here too. Refer like an affiliate program that you can get people signed up here and you'll get a portion of whatever they make as well. You can collect profits as by following simple instructions. In just a month, you can earn up to $150. Now, that says $150 there, but I'm going to show you how you can make up to $400. Isn't that what I told you? So just hang in there with me. It says without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings right here. See that, guys? There's no limit to the amount that you can actually earn here. It says you decide how much you earn. So, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $400 a month, but it can actually even be more than that, depending on how much how committed you are to working on this site, right? And doing the games and the surveys and things like that, watching videos. It says here, how can CLICKBANK help you? And see how having an additional income to make your life easier. Increase your earnings wherever you are, on the bus, at work, school, at the hairdressers, or even in the bathroom. You can always earn money on CLICKBANK. Do not waste precious time on browsing Facebook or other social media. All you need is a mobile device and access to the internet. And then just set goals, focus on what you're good at and what works best for you on the site. And there are 4 ways to earn money on CLICKBANK, and each of them is distinguished by a feature that might suit you best. Engagement and your time are the key to high earnings, guys, right here. All right, and then come on down, says start making money. You can register here, or you can just come up here to the top of the page and click the register button here as well. But before we do that, let's see here about how it works. If I click on that, it says discover how easy it is to use CLICKBANK, getting started to getting paid in just 3 simple steps. It says select a method after you get logged in. You can choose from all the different things here, and then just simply start earning. And then it says leave the administrative part to us. They'll take care of your payments and your billing, all that, which I'm going to show you too also here in a moment. on how they're going to pay you. There's like 4 or 5 ways that you can get paid from this website. All right. And then it says try all the resources, check out all the ways you can earn money, find out how you can do it step by step, and use your CLICKBANK account in the best way possible. So if we come over here and we'll click on resources, the same thing right here, brings us over here to the resources page, and it says helpful links for both newbies and gurus to make the most out of your CLICKBANK account. It says you can play games here, and talks a little bit about that, filling out surveys, watching videos, online shopping, and also invite people. Like I said, they have like a referral or an affiliate program here as well. So what we want to do is just want to click on registration right up here, guys, and get signed up. And the nice thing about it is you can get signed up with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or you can create a local account right here with an email address and password. And either way, they're going to send you an email to verify your account on this. I'm almost certain of it. Now, I signed in with my Google account, and there may be an email waiting on me. I don't know. They didn't come up and say anything about it. But my guess is if you do it at least with the local account here, they will send you an email to get verified and so on and so forth. So once you do that and come back, you want to get signed in. Now, you can sign in with the same Google or your Microsoft account, and or with your email and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Google account here, guys. All right, and that brings you back here to your dashboard. You get sort of like a back office here, guys. And you can, it shows in the estimated earnings and so on and so forth. Like I say, you see it's all zeros here. I just signed up today, or this is my second time of logging into here today. And then you can click on earn over here, and then that's how you earn. Here's all the different ways: by playing games or filling out surveys, watching videos, or online shopping. And then if you come down here, you see they got billing and analytics here, and referral programs here. Your referral link will be here. But you want to click on settings right here, guys. Make sure you click on settings in the column on the left right there. And then it shows up, you've got account, billing, privacy, and about. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you can make some changes here to this stuff if you want, even change the theme on the whole site. But you want to click on billings right here. And then it says right here, you want to fill out your name and stuff and choose your country, which I told you earlier that I would show you that this is available all over the world, guys. Look, they got every country in the world. It just doesn't matter where you're at. It's all over the whole world, guys. So you can fill this out here with your first name, street, and address, and house number and stuff, and then you can choose the currency that you want your money in. Look, guys, it's all over the world. All the money currencies in the world you can choose. But what you want to pay attention to, guys, right here is you can add a payment method only when you reach the payment threshold. And then you want to click right here where it says payment threshold, and it brings you over here into the support area, and you're under payment threshold. And it says right here, it says, how long will it take me to earn just $10? A few days or even a few hours. And it says it depends. It all depends on you and your commitment. Like I was telling you earlier, right? If you do a lot of monetization tasks in a short period of time, then you will earn $10 very, very quickly. It takes more time for others and less for others. It's a matter of skill and familiarity. Now, which method is the most profitable here? And the frequently asked questions, guys. The truth is that each method may be profitable a lot as long as you engage in it. For instance, for 7 days of playing games, you can earn even $100. Now, this is why I say, if they're telling you here, for 7 days, you can earn $100 just by playing the games. So if you did that for 4 weeks of 7 days, that's a whole month. That's $400 per month right there, guys, that you could earn. Now, my guess is, like it says, there is no limit to how much you can earn. It says, it's no limit to how much you can earn on this site. So how committed will you be that you can earn the most money? You could earn, geez, it could be $500, $600, maybe even $700 in 1 month's time doing this. And that's what I wanted to show you right there. Now, what you want to click on too is forms of payment over here. So if we click on that, you can see right here, the available payment methods to receive your money is a bank transfer. They'll send it straight to your bank, Of course, PayPal, you'll need to have a PayPal account, and I'd use the same email that on this site that you signed up with PayPal if you're going to use PayPal on this site, and Payoneer. So Payoneer, I think, works for most everybody else in the world who's not in the United States. Payoneer is what you can use. And it says that the user withdrawing in U.S. currency does not bear any losses or anything like that. So it's in U.S. currency because this is based in the United States. And then you can come over here and then see some of these other things here, payment details and so on and so forth. It even shows some of the stuff I showed you, and then different payment things here that you want to check out with and fill out your information on the site, guys, and you can learn how to do that. And it's just a matter of coming here, getting signed up, guys, on the site, and you can certainly begin to make, at least, I would say, at least $150 a month if you don't apply yourself. So it'd be pretty easy to make that $150 a month. But $400 a month is if you apply yourself at least every day for the 4 weeks of 7 days, right? And you could probably make $400 or more per month on this site. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, is this really cool site called CLICKBANK here. And get signed up, easy enough, and get started on this site. I can't get back to the home page here. That's what I wanted to show you guys. If you like this video and you got some value out of it, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there as well. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down there below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to see how to learn how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to watch my free video presentation, clicking down there in the top of your description where it says mentorwithkev.com. And come over and watch my free video presentation. It'll show you high-ticket affiliate marketing and the formula how to get that done. Alrighty? Guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.